So that's North Carolina right now. Let's go for a run. Yo, this is Raleigh, North Carolina. Like, what is going on? I'm about a half mile in. Just kind of not really trying to run very fast. Not worried about pace or really anything right now. I'm just kind of glad that I'm up and out and getting a little bit of a run in this, because this is insane. This is Raleigh, North Carolina. Like, you know that meme that went viral? Like, I'll show it right now. Yeah, that's what happens when this happens here. So, note to self, don't go anywhere. Or go on foot like I am. I got my trail runners on. These guys. Cascadians. They're doing me some good justice these days. Maybe a review of those coming soon. My first trail runners, really. Well, no, second pair trail runners. First one that I'm actually doing like real miles in. But okay, I'm gonna try to keep pushing along these roads. I haven't seen a car yet. Gonna get over to maybe a 5K trail, but that's gonna be real snowy. I don't know, we're just kind of wandering around. I'll see you soon. In New York? What is happening? I'm 1.4 in. I've already seen 2 people driving, one of which I had to help push back to their apartment because they're dumb. Yeah, don't go anywhere. Okay. Yeah, still running the road. Let's keep this thing going. Alright, sums up my run for the day. Wasn't planning on making a video, but then this happened. So we'll get this video up pretty quick, turn around so that people can see what the heck's going on down here. Uh-oh. Just lost my workout. Where'd it go? Alright, so I just did 4.6 in this madness. 52 minutes, 11:18 pace. That's including, you know, getting one car out of the snow, dodging like 5 cars going off the road. Yeah, here is North Carolina driver stop. Alright. Happy Sunday, everybody. Hope you're still getting out there, even if it's like this. Peace. Ciao for now. See you next time.